Guys, how are you today? How to draw circle in SolidWorks? We'll learn it. At first, open the SolidWorks software, then go to File and click New and click Part and click OK. Now go to Front Plane and Sketch. Now draw the circle to here and draw the circle here and draw the circle here. Now give the dimension circle 100 and this circle dimension 50 or 65. Okay, select. Now this point control this point horizontal and this point control this point horizontal. This circle control this circle equal. This circle to this circle distance 100, 200. Select this circle point, origin point and circle point distance 250. Select. Now this point control this point vertical. Okay. Now this point distance 200. Okay, select. This point control this point horizontal. Now draw the line here and here and here. Right. Now this point and this line, this point and this line coincident. This point and this line coincident. This line and this line, this line control this line tangent, and this line control this line tangent. This line control this line tangent, and this line control this line tangent. This line control this line tangent. This point control this line coincident. This point control this line coincident. And this line control this line tangent coincident, and this point and this line coincident, and this line control this line tangent. Okay, fully defined. Now draw the hair circle. Select. Now give the circle dimension 150. Select. Now this point and this point dimension 125. Select. This point control this point vertical. Now here draw the circle. Select and give the dimension circle 25. This point and this point dimension 50. point, control this point, vertical, this circle construction. Now go to circular pattern, this circle select and delete this point, select this point and this circle select, give the hair 6 circle draw. Okay, now again here, draw the circle and give the dimension circle 15, select this point, control this point, vertical. Okay, this circle distance 30, 32. Okay, select. Now go to circular pattern here, click, delete, just select this point. Okay, just move and connect this origin. Okay, now draw the hair center line, make center line. Now go to mirror, select this circle, and this circle, about this line. Okay, move. Control Z and Control Z. This point, control this point, vertical. Okay, now make our job. Now you can here circle use, give the dimension 12, this point and this point distance 20. Select. Now this point, control this point, vertical. Now go to circular pattern, just 3 circle use. Okay, just move, select to connect to origin. Okay, make our job. Now we can use center line. Thank you all everyone, share and like. If you have any ask, you can just comment on midline not good. Okay.